AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To build AI apps with the Google AI Studio API, start by deciding what your application should do. For example, you could create an AI chatbot, document analyzer, content generator, customer support tool, or another application powered by Gemini. Next, create and test your prompt inside Google AI Studio. Define the AI's role, the information it should process, and the format you want for the response. Once your prompt works correctly, use the available API or code generation options to get a starting point for integrating Gemini into your application. Choose the programming language and development environment that match your project. Then set up the Gemini SDK or API client according to the current Google documentation. Create an API key through the appropriate Google AI platform workflow and store it securely. Avoid placing a secret API key directly in public front-end code or uploading it to a public repository. Now add the API request to your application. Your app can send a user's input to Gemini and then display the returned response. Test the application with simple requests first. Then try longer prompts, different types of input, and unexpected requests to make sure your application handles them correctly. If your app needs predictable information, use structured output when supported. For example, a customer support application could request fields such as issue type, priority, summary, and suggested response. You should also add proper error handling. Your application should be prepared for invalid requests, authentication problems, rate limits, unavailable models, and temporary service issues.